Hi, it's Stevie, and welcome to Scraps Glued Over Paper. And this is my collage day, or I'm trying to make Saturday my collage day. And I worked on this little book, and it got really fat, and then it started coming apart because it was stapled. So I pulled all the pages out, or separated them so that they're not together, except for this one because I glued this down the middle, so I left it. And I may make just different collage books out of this. I don't know exactly. I may just throw them all together in a packet and sell them on Etsy. Not sure. But I wanted to show you, because I know my last video was the making of. So here's the little flip through. And I made it very grungy. That's paint. Envelopes. I crunched them up and then sanded them and used wet glue. That is crayons. And they're all pretty plain, as in just backgrounds, basically, except for the cover. I did the cover. All the way, so because I was putting things inside, and then when I started doing things, they all fell out, so I left them out this time. And there's a wasp in here. Woo! But I wanted to show you kind of my ideas. Like this would go there real well, and that one there. And I have a lot of kitties. Oh yeah, this is almost a pink, like, so I put this here. I was thinking maybe putting that there. Maybe putting that over here. Can even put money in here. I don't know. I had that for a different page. But, and then, I don't know. And just, I have a lot of scenery ones that I have taken out of the magazines. And then, like this, it's not that one. Where is it? Oh, it's this one that I found. I liked all of these here. Like this very colorful one here. And put this head. Is that right? Is that what I was going to do? I think it is. Get this out so I can lay it down flat and show you better. So, kind of like that. And I have all these really cool viruses and stuff. Pictures of lungs and a heartbeat. I'm just gonna put these over. I don't know yet. Maybe. Oh, this one. Oh, that's what that was. Let's put those. I was gonna do something like this, I think. The hands were gonna go. I mean, they're the same hand, and they were. I don't know. When I cut them out, I thought they were the two hands, but they're not. So I can use just like one, like this, or something. I really decided that I'm not going to glue anything else in. I made the backgrounds. I'm going to just give a packet to go with the glue book, and you can add your own, or you can use what I send with it. It's all going to be pictured though. And that is going to do it for today, because I really, 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 really want to go outside into the springtime and do something out there. Although it is pretty warm. In fact, in here, it is, oh, can you, yeah, it's almost 90 degrees. And he's not very happy. Woo. So I hope you like this, and you'll subscribe, share, and comment on my channel. And I'll see you in the next one.